Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and it is safety block. Well, this is the given the dimension for this part, and let's make a modeling part now. From the Solidworks interface, let's start sketch from right pane and make it a normal tool. For the next step, click a sketch and then click for center rectangle and start from this point. And I want to click the option to change this dimensioning option. Go to document properties and click to the units and change to make sure none is selected. Well, and I want to give the smart dimension for this vertical, and I want to change to 50 millimeter. And then for this horizontal sides, I want to make it 65 millimeter. Apply, and then I want to add a line and start from this point or the sides, and I want to connect to this edge. Right click and click select. Then I want to set the seven millimeter for this distance. Click OK, and I want to delete this construction line by right click and click delete. Then I want to add a line for this one to these sides for this rectangle, and it is 20 millimeter. Then I want to add and I want to make it 30 millimeter. Right. Next step, click to this line, click from this line and connect to this line. I'm sorry. Right click, select. Then I want to change the distance, this vertical line to this rectangle sides to 35 millimeter. Click OK. For the next step, I want to add a circle. Just click anywhere. Set the diameter for this circle to 24 millimeter. Then set the distance from this center point to the sides, and it is 22 millimeter. Then okay. Then click the unnecessary, and I want to remove the unnecessary line. Make sure time to close is selected, then click to this line. For the next step, let's add a vertical line and give the distance from its edge to 11. Well, let's give the thickness by click of feathers, then go to the extrude bus. For this dialog box, set a value to 90 mm. For this direction 1 to mid-plane, and then click for all the sketches. Then click to the surface and sketch. Click to this toggle, select to the sketch and convert. And then extrude cut. And check for thin feeder and set a value to 20 mm and select for the sketch. You can follow this direction in this video and okay. Well, for the next step, press the mid button in the mouse and then click to the surface, then change for sketch and click this toggle, set this sketch and make it a convert entities, so the sketch in this surface. Well, for the next step, let's click feeders, then go to the extrude cut. And set value to 25 mm. Direction 1 is blind selected and click for the sketch. Then click OK. For the next step, change to select for this surface and go to sketch and make the same way. Click to the sketch and make it a convert entities. So this sketch is moved to the surface, and then I want to extrude to this part. Click on feathers. Go to extrude. Set the fillet to 19mm and then click to this sketch. Click OK or apply. Press the Ctrl Z. Klik extrude cut. Change to 32mm and click to this sketch and OK. Well, click to this surface, change to sketch option, and I want to copy this sketch by convert entities, and then select the feathers and select the extrude cuts. Change this dialog box to 19mm and click to this sketch and change the direction and apply. You can make two isometric view by the combination Ctrl 7 and this keyword. Well, let's make a fillets in this edge by click feathers and select to this icon. There are the information. Radius is 15mm and then select to this edge and OK or apply. Well, this is the optional option. You can make it or to change the appearance by click this icon. And I want to change to click to this icon. Make sure from the selected geometry box the part is selected. Then I want to change to this color and apply. Well, you can make your own color. Finally, the part is done. I hope you like this tutorial and support this channel. Then see you next time.